We will try to solve the web page task, web authoring task. Okay, so this is in task A3. So Clara wants you to create 2 web pages to promote the company. So content for the web pages is stored in the file web pages. She wants you to create these linked pages. So first one is home, second one is classes. Both web pages must be saved as .html, right? So task A3a. 1. Create the home page based on this design. So this is the design. So the logo and the company and link of the 2 pages. Then text, 3 images, and then the footer. And we have to use those HTML elements, company name as H1, that means heading 1, text as paragraph, and we have to use those color scheme. For background color we will use this hex code, and for text color we will use this one. Okay, include 3 appropriate image from the images folder and position them as shown in the design. So save the web page as home. Okay. You're saying something, Sridhar. Okay, so we will use Composer web authoring software. Huh? In the music folder? Music folder November 23 P2. Go to the question paper, task A1. Okay, so let's search the Composer application from the Windows menu. Open it. Okay, so now our first task is to save this file as home.html. Okay, so save it, go to file and save. So the name should be HOME. Okay, so we will save this to our folder. We can make a new folder actually. So write web pages. Okay, a new folder, and save the home.html file here. So you can see the file name is home and the type is HTML. Okay, so saved. Go to the question paper. Okay, so in the first line there will be a logo and company name. So what we can do, we can go to table, we can insert 2 column and 1 row, one cell for adding logo and another for adding the company name. Okay, so this is the table. Now yes, what I file is we can do it later on. Let's do it, see it first, then do it. Okay, so let's change the table alignment from left to center, and we don't want any border, so make it 0. Okay, right? So if you make it a little longer, then you can click on this button. Now we can add the logo. So go to image. Okay, at first what you will have to do, you have to copy all of the pictures or videos or files in the same folder of the HTML file. Otherwise, it will not be visible when you will send those HTML file to another people. So it should be in the same file location where you have saved the HTML file. So we will copy the logo, the EWF logo, to our folder, and then we will add it from the composer. So go to image, then browse for the logo. So go to your folder, this is the logo. Okay, so in the alternate text write logo. So what is the purpose of adding alternate text? Do you know, Mr. Tasin? What is the purpose of adding alternate text? So it displays so if the image seems to be some problem to appear, so this text will be appear so that a developer or a user can understand. So there is the image about logo, and we will change the dimension. So the actual size is way bigger, say 1941 and 676. So we will decrease the size by clicking custom size, and okay, we can just remove the 1 from here, so it will maintain the ratio as the constraint is on. Click OK, and okay, nice. Then by clicking right arrow from your keyboard, go to the next cell and write the company name. So the company name is Evolving with Fitness, I think. So you can go to scenario and see. Uh, yeah, the company name is Evolving with Fitness. So you can copy it and paste it to this cell, right? Okay. Uh, then okay, we need two links of home and class pages, right? So the idea is we will add a table having 5 cells. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cells, and then we will write the home page on the second cell and the fourth, right? So go to composer again and edit table having 5 cell, 5 cell. Okay, so we'll have to change the alignment and the table size. Go to table properties, align it to center. We don't want any border, so it should be 0, right? And as you want to expand this table, you can click on this. Okay, so in the second column we'll add home, and let's make it center aligned, and in the fourth column we'll add classes, center aligned. Okay, done. Okay. By clicking right arrow, go to new section. Okay, now the question is asked us to add text, so you can use text here. Text, okay, just keep it blank. Next, okay, so we have to add 3 images, 1, 2, 3, and the idea is we'll add 4 cells again, 5 cells again, and then we will keep the images in 1, 3rd and 5th cell. so that there will be some spaces between the images. So go to Composer again, go to Table, Insert, Table with 5 cells, right? Now go to Table and go to Table Properties, go to Alignment, Center, and no border. Done. Expand it by clicking this symbol. Okay. Now in the first cell we will add the first image. So now what we will have to do is, so we have to copy the images on this uh, folder so that it could be easily found. Expansion. So whenever you will click on this table, you can see this symbol here. So you can click on it, it will expand. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll go to the data file, images, and we will choose 3 images which we will use in our web page. So select and copy those images, paste it to the folder web page. Done. Okay, now go to Composer again. Now add those images. Okay, if you see the question, you will see the images should be 250 into 250 pixels. So uh, keep the cursor in the first cell, then go to Image, go to Browse. Okay, so this is the file, right? So add first image. The alternate text should be image 1. The dimension is 250 into 250, right? So we have to remove the constraint from here, and 250 in width and 250 in height, right? Okay, done. And set it center aligned. Okay, now go to next cell using your arrow key from the keyboard. Add next image, go to Browse, okay. Second image, open it. In the alternate text you can write image 2. So the alternate text should be meaningful. Okay. Custom size same as the previous one, 250 into 250. 250 into 250, right? Mariam? Okay. Set it center aligned. Okay. The fifth cell, right? 1, 3, and 5. So in the fifth cell, add the image. The third image, image this one, 6. So open it, alternate text. You can write image 3. The dimension, custom size, constraint out 250 into 250. Okay. And set it center aligned. Okay, nice, right? So go to the next section, go to the question. Okay, for more information, email us at email address. So just copy this thing and paste it to the next line, and this should be center aligned. So center aligned it. Okay, so for the email address, we have to go to scenario again. Okay, so this is the email address, clara@ewf.services. Copy it, go to the Composer file and paste the email address here. We do not need this email word here, so this should be a clickable email link, right? So copy this email address by Control plus C, go to link, uh, paste the email address and select the above is an email address. So now you can see, so this is now in a clickable format, a hyperlink. Okay, so I think we have done a lot. Now go to the question again. uh, okay, so use this HTML element. So company name should be in H1. So company name evolving with fitness. So select this thing, change this from body text to heading 1. Okay, and text will be paragraph. So this text, where is the text? This one. So text should be in paragraph format. So copy this thing. We'll add the text later on. Paragraph. Okay. Go to the question again. Use the color scheme. So the background color should be this hex code. So copy this hex code. Then go to format. Go to page color and background. Select use custom colors. Select background and paste the hex code here. There is a space before this hex code. Remove it. Okay. Okay. So the background color has been changed, right? Okay. Now uh, text color. So text color is this. So copy this. Go to format. Go to page title and properties. Sorry. It should be page color and background. So normal text. The normal text should be in this color. Okay. So the color of the text has been changed, right? Okay. So include 3 appropriate images from the images folder and position them as shown in the design. Save the web page as home. So now let's search for the text. This text. So going to the folder again, the data file. This should be non-office. Okay. So web page. So this is the text for the home page. So select it. Make a copy, then go to the composer again and add this here, right? Okay, save it by Control plus S. Okay, go to the question again. So we have done this thing, right? And got 9 marks, I think.